McLaren 570S Spider gets new lightweight track pack for $24,000. The McLaren 570S Spider is one of the most versatile sports cars around. It's fast, comfortable, and practical, but it's slightly less capable from the factory than its fixed-roof brethren. McLaren is changing that with a new lightweight track pack. It's similar to the one on the 570S Coupe and shaves nearly 73 pounds from the car. That said, at more than $24,000, it's not exactly the cheapest way to go on a diet. According to McLaren, 10% of 570S Coupe owners opt for the track pack. Carbon fiber is the name of the game here. Inside, Alcantara-wrapped carbon fiber seats shave 29 pounds from the car. These are paired with a Alcantara steering wheel with carbon fiber spokes and shift paddles. The doors, center console, and infotainment system all have carbon fiber trim too. All track pack models are fitted with McLaren's track telemetry system. On the outside, the 570S Spider track pack gets a dark palladium painted roof and lightweight 10-spoke forged alloy wheels with Pirelli P0 Corsa summer tires. Those wheels save 33 pounds in total. Customers can option some carbon fiber trim pieces too. The 3.8 litre twin turbocharged V8 breathes a little easier thanks to a new titanium exhaust system. McLaren doesn't say how much power it adds, but it should at least make the car a little louder.